Hello everyone, it's Cryptocop. Welcome back. This video is about the crypto market update, Bitcoin update, guys. I generally do not make our regular videos on a crypto market like on a Bitcoin updates and Ethereum updates because these are the big coins, and I think we are not trading these coins, so we just need a directions and we need just overall information that where we are heading and what it can do. And a few weeks back in the month of January, I told you and I gave you the scenario, guys, and a silent video. I told you to guess what it is, and that was my thought I shared in that video. And the market, Bitcoin, is exactly doing the same thing currently as I'm going to show you. Okay. So if you're new to my channel, make sure subscribe, turn on the notification if you are really concerned to know what's actually going on. This is the update video. Let's start. And one thing I'm going to show you. Look at this video on the 12th January I uploaded. This was a silent video. I was not speaking here, but just doing a drawings, and I gave you the scenario without. This was the Bitcoin chart. Okay, and I gave you the two ranges that the first was from the 70 to 50k. We held here for almost 8 months, and then we break out toward the 110k, and then it goes into the another box. The box range was 90k to 104k. I said on a telegram that the range has been defined and we will be here for some days, and then after 100 days into this range, a few weeks back, as I told you, I made a video in a January update. I am expecting 85k a week down and then reclaim back to the box. Okay, so now we will go to the real-time chart. What real-time chart is showing us, guys? This is the Bitcoin real-time chart, currently 1 day frame, and this is the that box from that I shared, 70k to 50k. Okay, that was the box. We break out from the zone, and this is the another box that I shared there in the video, and that was 90k to, here you can see, 90k to 104k. This was the range I mentioned on a very first day when it happened, and after that it start consolidating into this range, something 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 something. Okay, and then I made this scenario that this is going to be 85k that is going to hit and we will reclaim. And currently I'm going to show you the Bitcoin is again trying to reclaim. Last time it attempted to the 95k as I predicted a week ago, that it will pump toward the zone. It hit, it got rejection, but right now here it is forming some sort of a reversal to go back into this box. Okay, once we reach into the box, we can go upside toward the 103k or even 100k. That was the scenario I share with you, and now I'm going to show you again. Look at this, and this is, and look at this. Okay, so everything so far going exactly what I'm thinking. And what about in that video I said here that we can go to the 126k to 120k. I have a doubt on this thing because we need a big volume, big money to go upside to make a new ATH. But currently, so far it is going well and we can go upside. As another thing I'm going to show you about the Bitcoin chart. This is the, yes. Now I will show you the RSI. Here is the RSI. Every time RSI goes down toward this area of 30, like oversold, okay, it considered to be bottom. Here, here, and here. Okay. Every time in the history you can see here, this is the Bitcoin bottom on a shorter run. Okay. So it can give us a midterm relief really. So we pump upside. Now we are standing at the important resistance level of the 50s. If we flip this area, the coin Bitcoin will turn bullish on a daily frame. Daily frame is a decent frame. We can expect a good thing in the next coming days. Now I will go to the 3 day chart, and here is a 3 day RSI. 3 day RSI is again trying to reclaim this important area of RSI at 50s. Okay, So currently everything is okay. The market is looking so choppy, but what I predicted is going very well. And further, I need a confirmation to tell you what could be the possible scenario for the next 2 months. On my Telegram channel, I said I'm expecting another crash in the month of March, when the in the end of this month. So I'm still stick to that point. We can expect, but before that we can go upside toward the 100k. It is very possible and high likely, like Bitcoin is going very well. Okay, so what is the another thing if we didn't go straight upside? This is the a common question. What it would be? Another thing, guys, we gonna made another box here from 95k to 82k. Okay, the price will held here for some more days, something like this, and then we can go upside back toward the 1010k. Okay, because downside, why I'm not expecting for much downside here for the shorter term. On a macro, on a monthly, there's a huge correction required for the Bitcoin, guys. Literally, RSI on a monthly frame is highly overbought, and it's been bumping from the last 2 years. So but right now, as the daily and 2 day and 3 day indicator are almost reset, so we need a relief rally for the altcoin, for the Bitcoin, or even we can expect a sideways price action. Okay, in the month of March, in this month. Okay, so what is the sideways scenario? Upside, as I said, we should have to go upside. Okay, another thing is another scenario is a sideways price action, but I'm not expecting any major downside now for the next coming days. Because why? Because this is the very big gap, guys. From here to here is gonna be the 15% to 17% down. But right now, you are watching the prices at 91. Okay, and when we will goes down and we will fill this gap, so it's gonna be a major crash downside, almost a 15%. So we need for that kind of a dump, we need a big fut from the market, any kind of a recession, a war or something, then we can go down. Otherwise, indicators are fully reset and we are at the lowest area, so we can expect a midterm relief rallies from the Bitcoin, or we can expect a sideways price action for this month. Okay, so here was my thought analysis about the Bitcoin, guys. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.